All right, good morning or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. What we're going to be looking at today, ladies and gentlemen, is multiplication as comparisons. What I want you to get used to when doing this lesson today is I want you to be looking at the words times as many, times more, or times as much. What this is going to tell you is this is going to go ahead and tell you what you're going to be doing in the problem. In this case, when we say 3 times as many, you look down here, we're going to be multiplying. So, taking a look at number 2 right here. It says 3 times as many as this right here. Well, first off, we got to look and see what's inside the problem. It says 3 times. So we just think to ourselves, okay, 3 times as many as this number right here. Well, how many is right there? Well, there's only 1. So that means it's 3 times 1 equals 3. All right, coming down to number 5. It says 5 times as much. 5 times as much. Or let me rephrase that, sorry. It says 10 times as much. I apologize. 10 times as much. 10 times as much. Now, we look down here. It says 10 times something equals 40. All right, so we got to think to ourselves, what could go inside this box right here if we took 10 times would equal 40? Well, if I look down here, I should know that 40 divided by 10 equals 4. So that tells me up here, I want to go ahead and have 4 circles in here. And then the last thing, let's take a look at number 8. It says twice as many boys. Twice as many boys. Well, let's look down here. We have this bar diagram. We're going to be using these bar diagrams again. Split up in half, and there's something on the top of it, and it says boys. So twice as many boys. So 2 times as many as, and it says 4 boys right here. So we know that 2 times 4 equals 8. So now what we have to think to ourselves, what's going to go inside these boxes and what's going to go in this entire one at the top. Remember, inside the boxes, we just go ahead and take parts of the equation. So we know that 2 is going to go in here, because 2 is some of it. And 4 is going to go in this other one, and we know that all together, 2 times 4 equals 8. Let me go ahead and change that 8 right there. And that's all there is to it today, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you later.